You're watching the news summary on Geo.tv. I'm Mohsin Abbas. The Supreme Court has directed Prime Minister Raja Pervaiz Ashraf to write the letter to Swiss authorities to reopen graft cases against President Zardari. The Apex Court has set a deadline of July 25th for the PM to submit the compliance report. According to the Supreme Court, if the PM fails to write the letter, then any action can be taken against him, according to the Constitution. President Asif Ali Zardari has signed the Contempt of Court Bill 2012, turning it into law. The bill will provide immunity from contempt proceedings to high office holders, including the Prime Minister, President, Chief Ministers, federal and provincial ministers, as well as governors. Meanwhile, lawyers in several cities across the country staged a protest against the new Contempt of Court law. Gunmen shot dead 9 police and prison staff officers from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa who were in Lahore for training. The attackers arrived on motorbikes and opened fire after storming into a building in Ichra, where the police officers were sleeping. An 8-member investigation team headed by the CCPO Lahore has been formed and includes 1 officer each from the MI and ISI. Chief Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry has taken suo motu notice of the death of 7 coal miners in the Zardari area located on the outskirts of Quetta. The Chief Justice has directed that those responsible should be arrested and has summoned a report within 3 days. Protests were also held throughout Quetta against the killing of the coal miners. An earthquake measuring 6.1 on the Richter scale, followed by a second tremor measuring 5.1, was felt in Islamabad, parts of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. According to the Met Office, the epicenter of the quake was located 194 kilometers deep under the Hindu Kush Mountains.